Good evening, YouTube. Well, today, it's a bit dark. I'm in my tent. It's quite late at night. It's actually, I can't even see. Yeah, it's just gone 10 o'clock in the evening, so I'm not normally up this late, but I've had quite a long day. Took my mum today to see her friend in Wales, out towards, well, the other side of Radar, and I left them to it, and went off myself. I had a tip off from my mum's friend of a nature reserve not so far away, just literally 3-4 miles from where she lives. So I was going to go to Eden Valley down to the dams and everything, but she gave me this tip and I thought I'd go and have a look. And I was there that long, I'd run out of time to go to the dams after, so I was quite happy being where I was. I went for a bit of a walk, as you'll see in a minute. I'm not showing you the first part of the video that I recorded my trip out to it along the road, because the vibration in my camera, again, I have a lot of problems like this, don't I? But it's in my car, so I was chatting away and everything, and then I looked at the back later and you could just see it's vibrating all over the place. So I won't bother with that. So that's why I'm doing this bit of a talk now. So yeah, so what you're about to see is me in the nature reserve. It does tell you the name of it there. I can't quite remember it off the top of my head now, so you will see it, and yeah, enjoy the video. These here I'm going to go through now. Not sure if they still are, but back in the day they were called kissing gates. So what you do is you park yourself into the corner like that, turn around, open the gate, and basically carefully climb the step and back through again. I'm going to put that little loop over there. It wasn't over there, but I'd imagine that's what's supposed to be. These are actually very wobbly, they're not in there properly anymore. I think they might be rotten at the bottom. So basically I've just walked along the field. Could have gone through there maybe, but I've come through there. And I'm going to go up the hill there now. It's very windy, you probably won't be able to hear me. The wind's picked up as I'm climbing. Look at these trees. And they grow on the hillside like that. It still managed to grow upright. So I'm not quite sure what this is. It's like sort of slate. I was looking at it one time or other. Not quite sure what that's all about. I'm going to read up on that later. There's more here as you go across. See, the scenery is stunning. You can see for miles. If I go across here, up this gate, which I won't be going through, I'll go through that one there. That's the official footpath. So obviously you stick to that. You don't wander off the footpath, that's not right. I suppose the only thing that's cool is the views of the electric cables. Actually, I think this is a footpath as well, although it's tied off, so I'm not going to do that. Some kind of sign there, so I'll be up there. It's obviously not a preferred footpath, it is tied off with a knot there, so I'm not going to do that. This is fully official, although that doesn't look official. Post there, trying to give this information. you go. I said that gate there was fenced, was tied off properly so we couldn't get through, but there's actually a proper one here. Another footpath gate which goes that way, which I'm not going to do. I'm going to stick to this one because this is the one I started on, which is called the old, as you know, oak. Sorry. So we're going to carry on. So you've also got your latch. Make sure you close the gate behind you. Very important. And off we go up the footpath here. As you know, I'm not the fittest of people. The left side of my pod is pretty had it really, so I won't be walking too far. I will be taking my time, just enjoying the day out and the weather for once. So like I said, I'm about an hour and a half from where I roughly, I should imagine where I'm at the campsite. Basically further into Wales. I'm on the Welsh borders where I camp. Literally sort of, would it be 15 minutes, probably not even that, 10 minutes from Wales. But this, look at this, let me just show you this. Look at that. It's all a bit, I'm on my own, there's not a soul about. It's almost a bit spooky, isn't it? Look at that, where the moss has grown on there, that's stunning. I'm going to take some photos of that, I think. Let's get my camera out. It does live up to its name as being the oak wood walk, or whatever it's called, because they are all, not necessarily all, but the majority are oak trees. You can see that by the leaves. These are definitely oak leaves, definitely from oak trees, so we know that they are obviously oak. So here's another little bit of an information one here, which are every now and then. So that's the name of the reserve, nature reserve that we're on. Again, everything in Welsh. And if you want to translate it, there you go. Traditionally, oak woods were cut for the timber, bark, firewood, and trees we grew from stumps. Look how many of these trees are about the same age. Yes, they are. They are. You can tell that by the thickness of them. Obviously, they're all amazing. I do like it here. I did promise myself not to walk too far. Probably at my limit with my leg. But it's so nice. I just find myself keep going. Just going to show you now, massive bird box. Not quite sure what that would be for. Might be an ignorant and thinking it might be for an owl or something. Again, huge oak tree. That's one of the bigger ones here. Obviously oak trees grow a lot bigger than that. That again, look at that. Stunning. Zoom in a bit, I do like that. Beautiful forms on these trees.
All my time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, but the last stage is gone. I hope somewhere your voice promises less and us more, but still my pillow's on the floor. Anyone could say that we are never assured, for things we're dreaming of are always out of the store. Pages, a lot of pages to forget, I'm so bored to say. Call me if you need a hand. Did you ever think I'm a friend? Everything will come to an end. It's so complicated to let go. I've come to know the hardest words to understand. Alas, so easy to pretend.